Hey, welcome to the show. Oh, I need you. Energy. This is young students are here. Thank you very much to be here. I just explained about the dance. Where is the dancers? The dancers, pendet. Pendet dance is the welcome dance. You see the Balinese dance accompanied by the Balinese gamelans. Let's welcome. Before we begin, just a little bit explanations. It's very easy, very simple, so you can do it. Agam. This is beautiful dancers. First is Fifi. He lives in Tienen. Spreek Nederlands, hè? And Amelia is Indo, campur, nasi campur, mix. Emilia, 11 jaar, hè? 12 kamu, 12 year old. And then she start to... Okay, let's see. Now the dance, this is, we call it agam. Agam is the form of the dance. Agam, yeah? Get down, turun, turun. This is, we call it Ciaaattt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Terus, 2, 3. And then the fingers. 2, 2. And then now, very, very special. The eyes movement. We call it Ciaaattt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's it. You can try now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's it. Something like that. Tepuk tangan yang meriah. And now we are accompanied by dance. Stay here.